Hey everyone, how are you doing? It's Rob here, your go-to guy for interior design. So listen, today we're talking about feature walls. Feature walls have been done to death over the years, but is there still life in them yet? Let's find out.
What we do here is go back.
Feature walls. Why are they important? And how are you going to make yours stand out? Well, let's get into it. What is a feature wall? It is your opportunity to grab attention as soon as someone walks in that room. You want a focal point, something that is a contrast to the room. Still in keeping, but it's different. It breaks up the rest of the room scheme. So you want something that's just going to be a big driving impact. Could be colour, could be texture, whatever. But it's so important to deliver a feature in a room, and if you can use a whole wall, all the better. Let's talk about how we're going to make this feature wall pop. Now, using the one behind me just as an example, all we did with this bad boy was stripped it back to bare brick. It didn't even cost us anything. So that just kind of goes to show you don't always need to spend a boatload of money just to get the feature wall you want. However, sometimes you've got to spend the money, you've got to stump up the cash. Now, if you're going to spend, you need to think about how you're going to spend. Spend wisely. Make sure you get the most out of your budget. So, do your research. Jump on Instagram, jump on Pinterest, check these platforms out, see what's around, get some ideas, and maybe think outside the box a bit. Think about materials in particular is a big thing for me. There is so much available now. You could look at going down the reclaimed timber route. You could look at metal, you could look at a whole bunch of stuff. Get online, check it out, see what's about. You want to make sure that you inject some real character into it, but your character as well. After all, it's your home, it's your space. Make it sing, make it tell us who you are. Let's just think about this one word, feature. That's exactly what this is. It is a feature in your home that is going to shout out who you are and what you're about. Now, at the start of all this, we asked the question, feature walls, is there life in them yet? Now, in my opinion, I think the answer to that is yes. There is always going to be a place for feature walls, but most importantly, it is through well-considered design and execution that is going to keep those feature walls relevant and also keep those feature walls alive. Now, one thing that I massively encourage all you guys to do is think outside the box. Think about how you can make your feature wall stand out. How can you make it different to everyone else's? Recently I completed an installation for a client where we used reclaimed scaffolding board. This stuff, which when it's sanded up and maybe got a bit of a stain or a lacquer to it, it looks absolutely stunning. Alright, so that was just one example of a feature wall, but hopefully you found the tips, hints and tricks useful, and maybe you can now go away and come up with your own feature walls, bring some real character into your living spaces. Well, that's about it for me guys, so if you like what you see, subscribe to the channel, give us a like, drop us a comment down below, and I'll catch you next time. See you later.
What we do here is go back.